नमस्कार सभी प्रोफेशनल को गुड मॉर्निंग। एक कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी में प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर की क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है? प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द सुपरवाइजिंग एंड द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द रेजिडेंशियल, कमर्शियल्स, रोड्स एंड इंडस्ट्रियल्स बिल्डिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स to collaborate and involved in all project phase from planning to completion of the project successfully. This is the main responsibility. Review the project in the deep schedules, deliver and estimate cost activities wise. Overseeing all the site and construction and monitoring and inspections to project with safety, with good quality and with high workmanship. In the role, the responsibility planning construction project and overall the progress of start to finish of the project is responsibility of the project manager to timely and effective manners. The key responsibility will be budgetings and the implementations of the schedule of the project to timely completion, requirement of materials and of the materials and procurement of the materials at the timely. PM will be collaborate with the various departments ensure smooth project executions. To coordinate with the client, architect and engineering department for design drawing and others technical issues. With your key attention to the detail and the strong organization skill, you will ensure that the construction activities according to timelines with quality, quantity and safely quantity, quality and safely. A project manager planning will be the crucial and coordinating resources responsibility and any issue that may rise in the sites to successfully solve. The strong background of the structural costing controls, feasible strategy, project management and the planning and executions. The business development to improve engineering constructions to billings to client bill and the petty contractors with timely payment and the business development in all respects. Project coordination, cost controls, land acquisition, feasible strategy and the planning, coordinating and cooperations with team, with target, with timely. We give the plan to your sites and monitor day to day and meeting weekly. The job, the providing leadership and guidance to best ability to deliver the successfully projects. Engage with the customers on the contractual matters, progress and the decisions. Manage risk and the opportunity. Drive commercial performance of the project, billing, margin and claims, etc. Lead project plan and decision making to ensure contractuals contract deliver on the as per the contract rules. Managing key roles, relationship with client, suppliers, subcontractors and the other vendors. The high standard quality, safety, productivity and the integrity to achieve at the sites. achieved at the site. This proper utilization, manpower, petty contractors. A construction company is the technically and engineering procurement and the construction based company. So your full knowledge in engineering, procurement, project management and execution of the project manager to handle any situation at the site during the running project, and make all safety precautions measures, and close up by planning executions, and close up the make a bar chart, and proper check the checkpoints of the project quality, quantity, materials, and so on. This is the responsibility of the project manager to successfully deliver to the project timely with quality and the good workmanship. Team with target, with timely work, or motivate our teams. Thanks.